So, namaskar to all the students of class 10. In my previous period, I taught you about Supreme Court. Then in Supreme Court, I taught you some of the functions of Supreme Court and structure of Supreme Court. Now I am going to teach you the qualifications which are required for the Chief Justice and other 20 judges to be appointed on those posts. My dear students, let's discuss point wise. I have written here qualification of the Chief Justice or a judge of Supreme Court. In the first point, I have written should be Nepali citizen. That means either Chief Justice or other judges of Supreme Court must be Nepali. First requirement. सुप्रिम कोर्टको चिफ जस्टिस वा अन्य जजेसहरू नेपाली नागरिक भएको हुनुपर्दछ. For the appointment of the chief justice, he or she must have worked as a judge of Supreme Court for at least 3 years. That means what? Especially this point belongs to only the appointment of chief justice. A chief justice must have worked at least 3 years as a judge in the Supreme Court. एउटा व्यक्ति चिफ जस्टिसको रूपमा नियुक्त हुनलाई सुप्रिम कोर्टमै कम्तीमा 3 वर्षसम्म जजको रूपमा काम गरेको हुनु पर्दछ. This point belongs to only the appointment of chief justice. Now see, for the appointment of a judge, the person must have fulfilled one of the following requirements. Now, it's the turn of other 20 judges. What qualification they should have? Then for only the judges, now we are going to read some points. Here I have written 3 points, but a person must have fulfilled at least 1 point among these 3 points. A person does not need to fulfill all these 3 points. Only 1 point is compulsion among these 3 points. खास गरेर चाहिँ सुप्रिम कोर्टमा नियुक्त हुने जजहरूको लागि 3 वटा बुँदा यहाँ लेखेको छु. 3 वटा बुँदा मध्ये कुनै एउटा चाहिँ कम्तीमा पूरा भएको हुनुपर्छ. 3 वटै आवश्यक छैन. 3 मध्ये कुनै एउटा. Let's read what are the points. Should have worked as a judge of high court or had equivalent post for at least 5 years. That means if a person wants to be a judge in a Supreme Court, he wants to apply for a judge in a Supreme Court, then he must have worked as a judge of high court or had equivalent post for at least 5 years. High court मा जज को रूपमा वा जज जस्तै कुनै पदमा कम्तीमा 5 वर्ष त्यो व्यक्तिले काम गरेको छ भने सुप्रिम कोर्टको जजको लागि एप्लाई गर्न सक्दछ. Second point is should have practiced laws for at least 15 years as a law graduate, advocate or senior advocate. That means what? To be a judge in a Supreme Court, a person should have practiced laws for at least 15 years as a law graduate, advocate or senior advocate. अर्थात law graduate advocate को रूपमा graduate at least bachelor passed, advocate lawyer भनेको कम्तीमा bachelor पास गरेको वकिलको रूपमा 15 वर्षदेखि ल को क्षेत्रमा प्र्याक्टिस गरेको हुनुपर्छ वा 15 वर्षदेखि सिनियर एडभोकेटको रूपमा काम गरेको हुनुपर्छ. That is in point number 2. कि एउटा व्यक्ति कम्तीमा 15 वर्षदेखि एडभोकेटको रूपमा अर्थात ल ग्रेजुएट एडभोकेटको रूपमा अथवा सिनियर एडभोकेटको रूपमा काम गरेको हुनुपर्छ 15 वर्ष. Third point is should be a distinguished jurist with a working experience of at least 12 years in the judicial or legal field or must have worked as a first class gazetted officer. This point is a bit lost. Should be distinguished jurist. नाम कमाएको न्यायको क्षेत्रमा काम गरेको व्यक्ति हुनुपर्छ. एटलिस्ट 12 इयर्स, कम्तीमा 12 वर्षदेखि न्यायको क्षेत्रमा न्याय सम्पादन गर्ने काम सुप्रसिद्ध रूपमा काम गरेको हुनुपर्छ. डिस्टिंग्विश्ड इन द जुडिशियल और लीगल फील्ड, न्यायिक क्षेत्रमा वा त्यस्तै प्रकारले कानुनी क्षेत्रमा. और मस्ट हैव वर्कड एज द फर्स्ट क्लास गेजेटेड अफिसर. इट इज अ काइन्ड अफ पोस्ट. फर्स्ट क्लास गेजेटेड अफिसर यो अफिसरहरूको चाहिँ हाईएस्ट र्याङ्क हो. फर्स्ट क्लास गेजेटेड अफिसरको रूपमा त्यो व्यक्ति यदि 12 वर्षसम्म यदि लको सेक्टरमा जुडिशियल फिल्डको सेक्टरमा काम गरेको छ भने त्यो पनि सुप्रिम कोर्टको जजको लागि एप्लाई गर्न सक्छ अथवा सुप्रिम कोर्टको जज बन्न योग्य हुन्छ. इन दिस वे वी हैव 3 points. Once again I am telling you only 1 point is needed to fulfill for a person to apply for a judge in Supreme Court. Now you must keep in mind the Chief Justice along with the judges who are appointed on their post have tenure of 6 years. They have to perform their duty for 6 years. 6 वर्षको कार्यकाल हुन्छ. And they retire at the age of 65. 65 वर्षको उमेरमा रिटायर हुन्छन्. यो ध्यान दिनुपर्छ. 6 वर्ष कार्यकाल हो तर उमेर 65 पुग्यो भने 65 मा चाहिँ रिटायर हुन्छ. बाइ चान्स कुनै व्यक्ति 62 वर्षको उमेरमा यदि जज बन्यो 65 मा उ रिटायर भइहाल्छ. 6 वर्ष त्यहाँ पुरेर बस्दैन. तर 6 years is their tenure if they have age. यदि उनको उमेर छ भने 6 वर्षमा यसको कार्यकाल हो. You must keep in mind. In this way today I have taught you regarding the qualifications of a Chief Justice or a judge in Supreme Court. Thanks to all of you.